Hi, I'm AK and welcome to my channel Artistic K-pop, and let's move to the video. Recently, former April member Hyunju's little brother and her friend claimed that Hyunju was bullied by all the members including Somin, who is currently working in a group called Card. They also said Chaekyung and Rachel has nothing to do with all these allegations since they joined after Hyunju left the group. Hyunju's friend also said former April member and current Card member Somin is the one who started bullying, and then Nayeon and others joined in to bully her. She also claimed that member Chewon used to date their manager, and that's why he also turned blind eye on the bullying. Also, when Hyunju attempted to commit suicide, her mother visited the company and the members just ignored her and laughed with each other. But after these allegations, April's label DSP Media put a statement that all the allegations are false, including Chewon dating their manager. DSP Media said Hyunju wanted to become an actress, so we convinced her to become an idol. But after she debuted, because of her weak physical and mental state, she had difficulties participating in April's activities, and because of this, there was lot of conflict and other members also had hard time and suffered damage. So we decided that no one could be considered a victim or a perpetrator. After that, former Ajax member Yoon Young criticized Hyunju by posting a statement saying, "I saw the entire thing that April went through. Hyunju suddenly stopped coming to practice and the schedules were broken all the time. It's true, you can be sick and weak, but then you should have quit early." These girls would cry until their eyes were swollen in training room. If they tried to talk to you, you wouldn't listen. How can they bully you when you refused to listen to anything? But after that, many of his past Instagram posts started resurfacing. In particular, netizens are focusing on one of his posts, and its caption is, "Busy Nayeon, who probably would be my younger sister, please love and support April." There was nothing special about the phrase except the sentence was aligned in a such way that the first letters of each line created another meaning. The few netizens pointed out that first Korean letters of each line writes as "She's mine." And on the same day that the Instagram story was posted, both Yoon Young and Nayeon posted photos taken at the same location. Hence, netizens are wondering whether they are in a relationship or just close friends. But after their dating rumors, DSP Media put another statement saying there is no use in saying anything. The dating rumors are just baseless online rumors and are completely false. And then Yoon Young also denied the dating rumors. But there was also one more controversy about Nayeon that came to spotlight. It is about the rape joke made by Nayeon in a conversation between her and her male friend. And the conversation goes as, "Friend says, not you, but other girls, ha ha ha." And then Nayeon says, "Do you want to get raped by Go Young-wook too?" And then friend says, "Sorry." Point to be noted, Go Young-wook is a celebrity who was found guilty of raping minors, and many believed that making such jokes was completely inappropriate. On that note, DSP Media released a statement saying that such post was not made by Nayeon and said they will be taking strict legal actions against the one who did such malicious photoshopping. After Yoon Young's post, April member Yena's older sister also posted a statement in defense of April members. She said there is no such thing as bullying or outcasting in April. At that point in time, members were just young kids who were unable to accept all of Hyunju's whims. Hyunju claimed her health wasn't doing well and slowly started to miss practices. Ultimately, while promoting their comeback on music shows, Hyunju said she did not want to work and disappeared. And later in the post, she started saying how April members suffered because of Hyunju. And after Yena's sister's statement, April's makeup artist and former hairstylist also posted statements. The hairstylist said, "I have known the April members since they were trainees and worked with them until the last year. Hyunju had a weak body and would get sick often. She would frequently inhibit the group's promotions because of this. She would disappear from her schedules randomly and create difficult situations for other members. I hope that April won't receive pain or hurt from these false rumors." Similarly, their makeup artist also released a statement saying, "I am a staff member who has been working with April even before their debut." She said, "Just like anyone else, there are times when opinions don't align or small misunderstandings happen while we work. And naturally, these can lead to suspicions and tensions." And after their statements, former unit and former Hello Venus member Yoonjo also spoke up about the issue during her Instagram Q&A. Point to be noted, Hyunju left April saying she wanted to become an actress, but later she participated in a reality reboot Survivor program and debuted in a temporary girl group called Unit. On that note, former unit member Hyunjo said, "There are many asking about this, and I fear that if I don't respond, people might misunderstand. Even today, the unit group chat is discussing the issue. I believe that she will overcome it, although it has been tough on her. So please stop harassing her over it. Apart from the people present at the time, no one else will understand the pain, so please don't pretend like you know things." But this is not all about Hyunju's bullying case. After DSP Media, former Ajax member Yoon Young, April member Yena's sister, hairstylist and makeup artist, saying that April members did not bully Hyunju and saying Hyunju would skip practices, Hyunju's brother posted another statement saying all of these people are lying. In this statement, he said, "The company said that while my sister wanted to become an actress, she was placed in the team after persuasion. However, my sister had been undergoing training to be an idol but was made an outcast right before her debut. Hence, as she thought that she could not debut with this team, she told the company her thoughts on the matter multiple times. But the company persuaded her time and time again to take a few days off to think about it." He also said Hyunju would return to the team each time, hoping that she won't get bullied, and he said her conviction about not becoming an idol were reinforced by her experience of getting bullied, and not only due to the fact that she wanted to be an actress. Later, then he talked about why she would skip practices. He said because of the bullying and not being able to take back her decision to be an idol, her health had deteriorated to the point where she was occasionally unable to even make it home. Many times she even fainted, and the members and managers who knew she was sick but didn't even bring her to the hospital immediately and made the decision to leave her laying there as such. He also said that they didn't even let her take medicine properly for the sake of promotional activities and practices, because the medication would cause her to make her drowsy. Lastly, he also attached the photos of Hyunju's medical reports. It states a hospital record dated May 11, 2016 with the admission to hospital stated at May 10, 2016. And the cause of admission was drug intoxication commonly caused by overdose, which means Hyunju tried to commit suicide by taking pills. After that, Hyunju skipped out on music broadcast twice dated May 12 and 13. And these are the same days which everyone on April's side claimed that Hyunju would skip broadcast and won't come to practices. And after Hyunju's brother's second statement, DSP Media posted another statement saying that they are going to take legal actions against Hyunju. They said Hyunju insisted on her one-sided claims that she was the victim and demanded a statement that was far from the truth. Although we wanted to continue discussions with her despite her stance, but the person claiming to be Hyunju's little brother created another one-sided post which resulted in a situation that can no longer hold a conversation. We have done our best to protect both Hyunju and the April members. But from now on, we will be taking strict legal actions against Hyunju and the people who claimed to be her family members and acquaintances. And that is all for this video. Tell me your thoughts on this matter in the comment section below, and please care to subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon for all notifications.